Little Scientists workshops are aligned with our educational pillars and educational approach, which are explored in the first two videos. The workshops are a mix of theoretical and pedagogical deep dive, group discussion, and hands-on participation. All workshops are interactive and encourage your active participation from start to finish. Our three key workshop values are: shape your learning. Many of our hands-on activities provide prompts or invitations to use the materials. If any of these don't speak to you, feel free to adapt the activities or resources to better suit you. We like buzzing. During the hands-on explorations, there are often several stations available. Tired of an activity or want to try something else? Go for it. Buzz between the stations as you like. 50-50 approach. The Little Scientist trainer and workshop participants should equally contribute to a constructive and positive workshop environment. We learn best by sharing ideas and knowledge with each other, so please come prepared to be an active participant. We're looking forward to seeing you at your next workshop.